Because really it's about doing. It's not about talking. You don't need to do a radical change in forestry practices to sequester an enormous amount of carbon. We can double the amount of carbon sequestration by limiting the rate of cut. Not by turning all the forests into parks, just by practicing at least sustainable forestry worldwide. And if you practice restoration forestry, or what they call ecoforestry in some circles, you would do it even faster. If you consider that most of the young forests of the world are growing at rates of about 3.5% to 4% a year, right? It's 30 to 40% a decade. If you retain most of that growth instead of cut it, you double the volume of young forests in a couple of decades. And you're cutting lumber. In 25 years, you double the amount of carbon being sequestered, doing sensible, conservative forestry.